This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I will show how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the battery category. Now here is your battery saver, so you can switch it on this way. What else you can do? You can see some useful information here. For example, the app battery usage. And you can also enable an even more severe power saving or battery saver, power saving mode or battery saver mode that is very conveniently called ultra battery saver, which will conserve your power even better and will preserve your battery even stronger, if I can say so myself. So here how it looks like. If you would like to exit it, just tap at the exit button here. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.